In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a one-on-one meeting using Hubspot. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Hubspot's User Guide. Accessing this guide is essential because it provides all the necessary tools and features you'll need for scheduling. Once you're there, navigate through the menu options until you spot the Sales section. Direct your attention to it and give it a click. This section is your gateway to managing various aspects of sales, including meeting setups, which is what we're focusing on today. After clicking Sales, look for the Meeting Scheduler. It's a key feature for anyone who wants to organize their meeting schedules efficiently. By selecting this option, you're entering the hub where you can set the details and parameters for your upcoming meetings. Now, let's move on to creating your scheduling page. You'll notice an option that says Create Scheduling Page within the Meeting Scheduler. Click on this option. This is where you can design the interface that others will use to book their meetings with you. It's a user-friendly process, but make sure to specify exactly how you'd like your meetings to be structured. With your scheduling page set up, it's time to focus on the specifics of a one-on-one meeting. In the menu, you'll see one-on-one as an option. Clicking on one-on-one allows you to tailor the invite and ensures that the meeting is strictly between you and another individual, reducing any chance of miscommunication or scheduling mishaps. It's perfect for more personalized interactions, be it with team members, clients, or partners. A tip to keep in mind as you work through these steps: double-check your time zone settings and working hours while setting up your scheduling page. This small detail ensures the times you're suggesting for meetings align with the actual hours you are available. It might seem straightforward, but in today's globalized working environment, time zone mismatches can be a common hiccup. As you go through these steps, don't hesitate to explore any additional features and settings within HubSpot's scheduler. Options like buffer times between meetings or setting a maximum number of appointments per day can significantly enhance your work efficiency. Experimenting and familiarizing yourself with these functionalities can help you customize your scheduling experience to better suit your specific needs. That's it for setting up a one-on-one meeting using HubSpot's Meeting Scheduler. With these steps, managing and organizing your meetings is made simple, allowing you to stay focused on what truly matters, engaging effectively with your participants. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!